Wondering how to enable or disable picture-in-picture on your Samsung phone? You have come to the right place. In this brief guide, I'll walk you through 2 different methods to control picture-in-picture mode on your device. Ready? Let's jump right in. Method 1. Through App Settings. Open the Settings app. Then, scroll down a bit until you spot the Apps option. Tap on Apps to proceed. Scroll down again until you find Messenger or WhatsApp. Now, scroll down again. Find the picture-in-picture feature. Tap on the feature. Next, enable it by toggling on the switch. You can turn off the feature just as easily by toggling the switch off. Method 2. Through Home Screen app. First, head back to your home screen. Find the app you want to control picture-in-picture for. Press and hold the app icon. Then, tap the eye icon that appears. Scroll down a little to find the picture-in-picture option. Tap on the option. Turn it on, simply toggle the switch. And if you want to turn it off, just toggle the switch off. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care!